You're the professor, so I believe in this coin right here. I'm just going to be in it, see if I can make a good 33%, get it to right here, Ispolink, see if I could get it up to like 0.05, something like that. So I'm gonna buy ice, so it's ISP, so it's Uniswap ISP. So I'm buy with Ethereum, and I will be using all of my Ethereum. Well, you know something? I'm gonna use 0.85 of it. Yeah, so that's great. That way, whoa, it's high. It is high, but oh, that's high. But I want to play. Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. I'll tell you what the coin is. I'm going to stay in it probably for a week or so to see if I can make this 2,700 worth of coin I'm buying become 5,000 at least. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. If you have not, click the link in my bio. You'll see a presentation that I have, a 30-minute presentation regarding the 6 coins that I'm buying, and I'm going to be in all the way through November 15th. Once this clear, I'll tell you what ISP is. I'll tell you what that token is. This normally takes about 5 to 6, about 30 seconds to a minute. Hopefully, it's taking a while now. Well, I'm gonna just back out. It's doing it. I know it'll go through. So let me just go to right here, Ispolink. I'll show you what it is, and then we'll check to make sure the money's in there. So we're gonna view on CoinMarketCap, and so you see here it says website. So we're gonna go look at the exact website. So it says connecting greatness with cross-chain platform for tech talents. It's powered by the Binance Smart Chain. Partners, Maker, Polygon, Besco, Junior, investors, all of these. Gen Block Capital, Lotus Capital. So it's a lot of them. And it's for job seekers having a hard time finding a job. It eliminates the tedious and prolonged job searching for companies. So it's promising. I won't be in here too long. I'm just in it for probably a week, see if I can make 100% of my money, get out. That's what I do with 1-star coins. I see if I can make 50 to 70% of my monies, then I get out. My name is Romeo the Professor. You can follow, subscribe, share, and let's see if it went through. It haven't went through yet. The Ethereum is still right here, but eventually it'll go through. Oh, I think, yes it did. I have $3,000 right there. 2,900, so it did. So now I have this much in Ethereum. I need to figure out which coin I'm gonna put it in. If I'm gonna put it in margin swap or put it in D-Race. I think I'm gonna just chill right now. I'm just put it in USDT. I'm gonna just put it in USDT, and then tomorrow I'll decide where I'm gonna put it in, all of it. So right now I'm gonna just chill and put 1 ETH in USDT. I'm stabilizing it. Confirm. Approve. I know the fees are heavy to stabilize it and to do a lot, but it's the business we're in. That's close to like 3%, 2%, you know, but it's the business we're in. I'm stabilizing it right now because tomorrow I'll either put that 3,000 in a coin called D-Race or another coin. I forgot the name. And I would put it here also too. So everything is going through. So I'm going to show you the name. Margin swap, D-Race, and Ispolink token. So I'm gonna end up putting that 3,000 of USDT in one of those whenever it does. My name is Romeo the Professor. Subscribe, share, follow. Thanks.